to find Discord servers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Here, make sure you're logged into your account, and on the left side, scroll down and click on the plus icon. Click on join a server, and if you remember a server name, you can simply type in and then press on join with invite link, and you will find this kind of screen. Click on accept invite and you will be able to join. But if you want other, what you can do is open Chrome, search Discord Discover, and click on Discord servers home. In here, select categories, what kind of server you want to join. Then you'll find all these servers. You can simply click on it, click on join server, click on Discord. It will lead you to Discord, and here press on accept invite and you will join the group. This is how to find Discord servers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.